Many people don't know the secret function of this cable tie. In this video I will show you 7 secret functions of cable ties that you don't know yet. If you are used to cutting the cable tie wrap at the end of the wrap, from now on never do that again, because it can make the cable tie fall apart when you lift the wrap. Put the loose cable ties back into the wrapper, then heat the part of the wrapper that you cut to tighten the wrapper back up. Now make a hole on the side of the cable tie wrap. This trick will really help you, because the cable tie will not fall out easily when you lift the plastic wrap. It will be very easy to take out the cable ties one by one that are in the wrap. If you often pack things and you have trouble cutting the duct tape you use, you can modify it by adding cable ties to the duct tape. This trick can replace the roll of scissors or knives to cut the duct tape. Besides, your job of packing things will be much faster. The method is to tie the cable tie to the roll of duct tape, then cut the cable tie into a sharp shape. This is so that the cable tie can easily cut the duct tape you are using. For the next one, you can use this cable tie to tidy up some messy cables. The first step is to tie all the cables together. Then separate one cable from another cable by using a smaller cable tie. This will make the cable look neater and safer. The next tip you should know when you want to tie things with cable ties, but the problem is that the cable tie you are using is not long enough. You can use this trick. Many people don't know that cable ties can be connected to make them longer. This trick can replace the size of a longer cable tie without having to buy it. You can use several cable ties that are short in size, then you connect them. Then if you have a bag where the zipper puller is broken or missing, you will definitely have difficulty opening or closing the zipper of the bag. Well, you can use cable ties as an emergency replacement. You can apply this method to bag zippers, jacket zippers, or trouser zippers where the zipper puller is damaged or broken. These screws or bolts cannot be installed perfectly because the holes in the wood are too big. Instead of filling the wood, you can use cable ties as a replacement. Just insert several cable ties into the holes that are too big. This method will make the bolts or screws install perfectly and be stronger. The last tip: if you have several keys that do not have a key chain, this will be very dangerous, because the key can be misplaced or lost. To be safer, you can combine them into one. Now to combine them, you can use cable ties, If this tip is useful for you, don't forget to press the like button and support us by pressing the subscribe button, so you don't miss interesting ideas from Creation DIY. Thank you.